Yes! So pretty! Go show faves! Wow! honey, look at the data. Honey.
Wow! The size is good.
It's perfect.
Moi, je vais regarder comme ça, je sais. Maman! Laisse-moi te montrer.
He said that Naruto watch about to look how she ripping on the paper.
Wow!
Oh, one thing I want here, sister. Open
Wow!
it.
It's big! It's pretty full!
It's pretty full, Sarah. Sarah, say it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Right.
This is for all of us.
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, man.
This is for all.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I am trying my best for you guys to hear me, but it's so hard to speak because my tonsils are so swollen. I've been in bed all day today and I'm struggling to speak. I have been resting and taking medicine. You guys know that my tonsil attack me at least 2 or 3 times for the year, and it's something that I've been struggling with. But here in France, they stop doing surgeries for tonsils unless it is severe and it attacks you multiple times per month. So I have to live with this for the rest of my life, I guess. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So you guys can see what's going on behind me. I wasn't showing you him though. I was showing you the kids' gifts. Can you say hello, babe?
They ignore me. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. Yes, no, I am not in great shape. Macho too. Oh.
Everybody in this house have a little something right now.
Yeah,
but when you stop drinking green juice, this is what happens.
Christmas time.
Anyways,
my favorite time of the year.
You guys, they can't even see you. You guys know that we go away to Babe's family every Christmas. So what we normally do is open our gifts here at home a day or 2 before we go away, and we're leaving tomorrow morning. When you guys will be seeing this vlog, we'll be already on our way. So we're opening our gifts on the eve of Christmas Eve. Does that make sense? Anyway, the kids are opening their gifts. They don't know what's about to happen, so we're gonna call them out and give them this surprise. So here we go, gift opening time. Ready? Tyler, hold your sister's hand and come here. We have a surprise for you.
I saw it.
Sarah, what's that?
It's gift.
His gift.
Can we open it now? Me
Yeah.
too.
Wait. Don't see the battery about to die. Wait.
I'm going to say for
Alright, it's time to open all the gifts.
first gift for Sarah.
Okay.
Oh,
Sarah. From who?
Come
from Mom and Dad.
Oh.
Why? Open it.
Okay, Ty, find one for you.
This it look.
For Tyler.
It looks like really a Nintendo game.
Ty, just open the gifts and appreciate what you get, please. Sarah, open it.
Thank you, Mama.
Open it.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, baby. Sarah, open the
High
gift.
five.
I open. I'm sure this one is another one.
What's that?
Open it, Sarah. Repeat, Sarah. Repeat. Tear it, Sarah. Tear it.
Et voilà, le savon.
Wow! What's that?
Princess.
Sarah, what's that? Let me see. Show Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Wow.
It's for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
USA.
Wow, Sarah.
It's from G&A USA.
Hold on, Tyler.
Grandma USA. That's for Sarah from who?
It's Peppa.
That's for Sarah from who? From Mom and Dad?
What's that? What's that? Peppa!
Peppa!
Look at what's that?
What's that?
Peppa!
C'est pour toi!
Oui, ça pour Sarah. Ça fait Papi.
C'est Peppa
So
Pig!
Grandma.
Wow! Thank you, Grandma.
Baby, tu donnes moi un gros choix, s'il te plaît.
Merci, Capi. Tu dis, c'est pas, ils sont à côté de ça.
C'est qui ça?
Merci, Capi. C'est Tika.
Ça c'est Peppa?
C'est Tiki.
Ça c'est qui?
Suzy.
Suzy?
Là.
Et ça c'est qui?
Copycat. Tiki.
Ok, c'est Kat.
Tyler, get the
That's
movie
all.
things
Ça c'est
from
George.
Grandma.
Wow! High five!
Look here.
Yes!
Mommy.
Yeah!
Ooh, this is Sarah. Sarah?
You want to take this off?
Yes.
This one, you want to put on the new one?
Yeah.
Wait, we soon put it on, okay?
But that one is Sarah. Sarah, look.
Open it.
Look
Open
at
it.
Sarah.
Open
Après,
it.
open
Open
this
this
one.
one.
Okay. So this one is from the bag.
Hein? Un petit bout.
From the bag.
You guys know Taylor love books, so it's all right.
What is that?
Papa, c'est toi qui m'as pris le Sonic Frontier.
Je sais pas, c'est qui?
Papa, c'est
Ah ben voilà!
Thank you. Papa.
That's what you wanted?
Okay,
Wow!
Taylor get games, Sarah get learning to read.
for me,
And
Sarah,
is
this
for-
one.
Oh,
this one.
Yeah. Allez.
What's that?
haha! This, you know what it's from? This is from Grandma USA and my mom. It's cool. I used to have it as a kid growing up, and now you have it. Papa used to have it too.
Ah, c'est qui ça? Le petit loup.
Alright, look through here. Look through it. Ah, look. Let's pull this
I
down.
had one before. Look! Everyone had like an egg and
Yeah.
Sarah, c'est qui ça?
the
Pull
petit
it down.
loup.
Waouh, c'est des livres de petits loups. Et ça, c'est qui ça?
The petit loup I can tell.
Don't
Wow.
flip it tight. Just hold it. Make it come back up in your hand. Sarah, look. Look in it. Look, put your eyes
Oh.
here.
This one is heavy for Papa.
Oh, papa.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. The type of gift that we already know what to do before even. I
This
will
one
open
is for
it.
Papa.
Okay.
This one is for Papa.
Okay. Attends, Sarah. Reste ici. Reste ici à attendre. Assis-toi avec papa. Assis-toi avec papa.
This one is for Papa.
From Auntie Tashika. Sarah, here. This is for you.
Wow.
It's for Sarah from Tashika.
It's Auntie Tashika and Uncle Auntie Tashika.
What is this?
It's
It's a Naruto jewel.
yes.
It's a Naruto
It's a
jewel.
little
Oh my god!
Look at the back. Mama,
Oh
it's
my god!
Mama.
Yes.
Look, it's really black.
Wow.
Wow!
I give it
It's
to
from
Papa.
Auntie Tashika.
I give it to Papa. Auntie
Yes.
Tashika. Papa.
Yes.
J'ai un cadeau black.
It's a pretty bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, you might
Papa,
eat
papa.
it.
Yeah.
And it's
Tu me dis
really
quand
good.
tu veux le tirer.
Oh,
Oui,
high
je vais le
five!
ouvrir
High
après,
five!
d'accord?
Say thank you, Auntie.
Mais il faut faire ça à deux.
Let me see
Okay.
what Auntie Tashika give you.
C'est un jeu de cartes Naruto.
Can't I get
This
a
one
game
is
from Auntie
for
Tashika? When you
Sarah.
Come, Sarah, come!
Sarah,
Sarah, look!
Wow.
This one is for who? For Tai Tai?
It's from Mama and Papa.
Open, Sarah. Open. Come. No, we're going. Open. It's for you. C'est Papa Cadeau
Papa
here.
cadeau ici.
What déjà ça?
Open your cadeau.
C'est quoi ça?
If you want to open it, open it. If you want to open.
Mama! It's a water bottle. Thank
This is
you.
a Naruto water bottle. Look how she ripping up the paper.
Wow.
Stop, Sarah.
No name.
Oh, one for you and one for your sister. Open
Wow.
it.
It's big. It's people.
It's pretty full, Sarah. 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 Say it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Right. It's
This
pretty
is
full.
for all of us.
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, my
This
love.
is for all of us. I put it. Sarah.
Who for this one? Hold on. Wait.
It's for me.
It's for Tyler. Open this
And
one.
my
It's
castle.
from Daniel family. Come, Sarah. More cadeau. Come around. This for Tyler. And this for Sarah.
It's awesome. It can open.
Ah.
Who is that, Sarah? Who is that? Naruto.
I can open.
Yes, open it here.
Ah.
And jeu de société.
Floor is lava.
Mon premier coffre de la table.
Wow.
What?
This is that. Wow, time.
Ah, c'est des robots.
Des robots qui font construire.
Wait. Ça, c'est pour
Attends,
Tyler.
let's wait. Sarah, viens ici. Viens ici.
Come.
You open it.
Attends, ça c'est pour Noah.
Oh, c'est quel?
Attends.
C'est partout. Ah. Attends, c'est cassé.
Okay, the finish.
What's up?
This one, somebody is for
That's
Kenzo.
so baby there. It's the baby.
La même chose.
I'm still waiting on my gift. I haven't got not one.
I have one, but I didn't put no.
Babe always never wrap gifts. I never get the joy of
Oh,
ripping
okay.
off paper off my gifts. Why?
Oh,
Why? Men, they always do that. Why you
I
always
hope you're
do
gonna
that?
like this one. I try.
Your best is good enough as long as you try. You guys know what this is, right? Oh, thanks, baby.
Mama, it's a boot.
Yeah, Mama got boots.
It's for Mama.
Exactly what I wanted. Thank you, my love.
Oh, welcome. I have a lot of reading to do. Makes my head
His
useful.
list were filled with books, and that's what I got him. Everything on his list, I make sure I got him every single item.
I have another one here. You can get that and go. Yeah.
I'm going to. I open it. Yeah.
Why are you smiling? He's
Oh.
smiling.
C'est le grand truc.
Oui, c'est un grand truc.
Yes! You guys,
Ah, what's that?
during Halloween, fell in love with this sport, bow and arrow, and I insist that I wanted one. And babe, I put it on my Christmas wish list, and he got it for me. Thank you so much, honey. I love it.
Mama, stop screaming.
I'm not screaming.
You can carry it in it.
Yes! Oh my god, it's perfect! You can hang it, you can put it
You
flat.
just can throw it.
Yes!
On
Magan
voit
for
ça faire
sharpshooter.
de la Nintendo.
Thank you, and it's perfect. Where you find it? Decathlon?
Papa, je peux l'ouvrir.
But he's not even showing you guys his gifts. Woo!
Je peux l'ouvrir.
Si tu veux. That's
A
a
few
pétanque.
years ago, I bought babe a bull the pétanque. I bought him a big set, and he insists that he wants a single person set this year. So I bought him a
Yeah, the
single
big
person
the big
again.
set is for family. We don't play enough, but it's for family. This is
Like if he's going to
single
play
one.
with his friends.
Right.
Or...
When we play single, we play by
Papa, je
three.
this is
So
You open it already?
I wanted that.
Oh my god. You show them all of your gifts?
Yeah. A book and a book. Yes, it's big book without image. They are perfect, baby. Alright, Tyler, this.
put it on bread.
What is this?
It's a cracker.
Okay, this is what you wanted to tell me.
I don't want to let go of my... I don't want to let go. It's the most I've smiled all day today.
Mais en fait, je sais pas si tu peux le faire parce que t'as le pouce cassé.
Where's my phone? I need a photo.
Mais moi, on devait faire pareil.
Where's my phone? Can you see my phone?
Easy, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Tyler made this gift for Papa. He's too funny. Sarah, you love all of your gifts? You ready to put on the princess dress?
Yeah.
Okay, come, put on the princess dress.
Voilà.
No, you can take off the short one, and no, you get a long princess dress, okay?
Ok. Ah, alors c'était ça que je savais pas.
You love princess dress, I
Mama?
know. Yes.
Look.
Where is the headpiece? Come.
Il y a ça comme partie.
Wow, you're so pretty. Go show faves. Wow. honey, look at the data. Honey.
Attends.
Wow, the size is good.
It's perfect.
Moi, je vais regarder comme ça, je sais comment faire.
Wow, c'est qui ça?
Ça Barbie.
C'est Barbie.
Wow, Sarah.
I
Turn.
need to put my costume too.
Yes, put your costume so I can get photo. Wow, Sarah. C'est bien comme ça, ma belle. You're pretty?
Yeah.
You like your princess dress?
I don't need that.
Naruto, so they both got
It's
costumes.
the winner.
Tyler wanted Naruto costume, Sarah wanted
No,
princess.
I'm not even doing. I
Yeah.
said trick or treat.
You're so
No, c'est bon,
pretty
c'est bon,
like
c'est bon,
this, Sarah. Thank.
Oh, ça pas les cheveux jaunes. Ah oui, c'est vrai, il y avait écrit perruque noire.
So the headpiece.
Non,
You
il
have
n'a
a
pas écrit.
headpiece.
C'est ok, écrit perruque, non.
You don't have a headpiece.
No, Tyler said it was written, no, the hair is not included.
Oh no. That's the most important piece. So we're gonna have to look for it and buy it, Ty.
Yes.
The Tyler costume, this is it, but the headpiece is missing. We didn't realize it's not included in the costume. So we're gonna have to go back to the store and look for it one day and buy it. Okay, Ty? But you got your doodle. Oh, they sent the headband, but not the hair.
Oh, where is it?
Is that so bizarre?
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? Go, baby, go, baby. I've seen a monster. Go, baby.
So they sent the headband, but not the hair. What the boy love Naruto?
And Naruto.
And princess.
et une princesse. Bonjour la princesse.
Yes, Sarah, come for them.
Wow.
Bonjour Naruto.
Show face. Show face the costume time.
Oh, they don't see my face, but they see my costume.
Want to see in the mirror?
You want to go look in the mirror?
I already see the camera.
Here, Sarah.
She huge book too.
You have a whole.
Which
yeah,
one?
Here.
Ah, George.
Yeah. Here, Sarah. Sarah. Here.
It's for Mama.
It's Mama. The finger family. Anyway, you guys, I am going to end the vlog here. Honey, end the vlog for me because I can't show. They can't hear.
We are going to end the vlog here. It was a little moment in family. And tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of adventures. We're going to Avignon, we're going to my brother, we see grandpa, we see grandma, we see aunties, we see friends, we see everybody. So it's gonna be a lot of adventure, a lot of food and family time. So
a lot of food for sure.
we're gonna enjoy,
Oh, no.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a little thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment.
Catch up and keep up.
I'll
And
see
we'll
you
see you
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Wow!
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 I